In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly create and download your own electronic signature using Canva. To get started, click on the templates icon. Then use the search bar to find e-signature templates. Type in your search term to view relevant results. In the search field, continue typing until you enter signature to further narrow down your options. This allows Canva to show you templates specifically designed for e-signatures. Now, select the template that matches your style and click Customize to start editing your digital signature. Next, select the signature text in the template and update it with your name or preferred signature style. Personalizing the text makes the signature uniquely yours. When you've finished editing, click Share, and then select Download to save your new e-signature to your computer. Finally, click Download again to complete the process and receive your digital signature file. You've now created and saved your e-signature using Canva.